So that's my dog. That's my rollator, or that's my grandma's rollator. That's my grandma. So yeah, we're gonna go for a ride on that. Well, really, my dog's gonna go for a ride on that. So let's go Weezer up here.
Yahoo! You don't know how that has thrilled me. Lots of times I think I'm losing it.
Sit. Good. Now for everybody that says, oh my gosh, your dog's on a rollator, get her down, get her down, get her down. I'll ruin it. No, it won't. It's just like somebody sitting here.
Yeah.
And let me show you how fast we're going, because if we went really fast, she would get out.
I have stuff. I'm not giving to the Goodwill anymore because they just charge an exorbitant price then.
Okay.
At their store.
Okay.
And I gave it to them. So anyhow, St. Vincent de Paul.
Yeah, we're gonna go up this.
St. Vincent de Paul.
We're gonna go up this
in North Vernon.
little bitty ledge, and I can't.
So that's why we're going to North Vernon. And since we're
And well, there's a dog on there.
Let's visit with Brooklyn, Everett, and Everly.
There we go. Okay, got it. I'll walk her around a little bit. There's actually quite a few obstacles that I have to face, so
Well,
she is.
And that's the way I'm
We don't
feeling
know.
about it. I'm thinking, Dad, burn it. They charge an arm and a leg when you go in the store. Right.
Go. So we're just going for a little rollerblade ride. It's quite bumpy for Lisa, but quite smooth for me while I'm walking. And then I got Weezer to, she'll put her paws right there, and then she'll push it forward for me.
Exactly.
So that's what this will be.
You can make money, do whatever you want if you're smart enough. I'm not.
Bye.